new session on operation research. And today we will learn a replacement model. As we see in day-to-day life, the replacement means when we replace one item or one equipment as with another one. Suppose in day-to-day life, suppose I have used one mobile which have a Android jellyfish, but it will not support in many applications. So what happened? I will change that mobile with new upgraded mobile, right? So that is one replacement in terms of technology upgradation. Why we replace that mobile? Because of the technology upgradation. Second replacement were done due to the maintenance. Means suppose we have buy one car and expected average life of car we can take or we can predict as 6 to 7 years, right? Means if I buy some new car by today, means up to 6 to 7 years I will compatible with that car, means I will use that car. But what happened? It will get maximum maintenance, means 1 year it will new, so 1 year, first year it will get a less maintenance. But after 1 lakh kilometer, after 2 to 3 years, after 3 years, 4 years or 5 years, it will get a maximum maintenance. Means after 5 years you have to change wheels also, you have to change the suspension system also, everything depend on usage, right? So what happened? Due to high maintenance, we can think that why I do or why I spend maximum amount in maintenance, I replace that car with new. It may possible, right? So that is the replacement due to the maintenance, high maintenance. The simple example of this maintenance, suppose you have to buy a car, so you have an option. You have to buy a car from Maruti Suzuki company, from Hyundai company, from Honda company. So what happened? We have to first check that how much maintenance we have get after purchasing a car. So but always it will less in Maruti Suzuki, so we have prepared that car for purchase. So simple getting from the maintenance, we have predict the life of car, right? So that is the replacement. Another replacement was due to you have to replace one item by changing or by interval of time as they haven't any replacement. Means I have to change my shoes, right? So they have any replacement value, right? So also I have changed a machine, that is have no resale value, that is have no any scrap value also there. So that is another model of replacement. Clear? So all type of models and how we solve that model, or when we have to change our equipment, items, or peoples, or men, women, or the staffs were replaced by using this replacement model, and we have to calculate all the things in this chapter, right? So we will move forward for next. So what is basic introduction is replacement theory is concerned with the prediction of replacement cost. Means when we have to replace, determination of most economic replacement policy. There are main two replacement models as individual replacement, group replacement, right? So best economic replacement policy were used. The problem of replacements were encountered in both the case, man as well as the machine also. Second, the replacement theory is equally important aspect to the operation research. In case of whose efficiency goes on decreasing according to their age, we have spent more. Means suppose we have used one lathe machine and it's around 4, 6, 10 years ago we have purchased, and it will give or it will require more maintenance for servicing. So what happened? We have to spend more money investing for maintenance of that. So we have to spend much time as well as money for that. So avoid that type of situation. We have replaced that equipment. Money on account increasing, operating cost also increasing, repairing cost also, right? In such case, replacement of an old item with a new one is a only alternative to prevent such increasing expenses. Means we have only one option. Means we have to spend much more money, much more investing money in old one, or we can change that, or we can replace that old one with a new items. Clear? Next, what is the definition of replacement model? The replacement model are concerned with the problems of replacement of machines, individual and capital assets due to the decreasing efficiency, failure and breakdown. Right? Next, why and when to replace? It's the question. Why we have to replace, or when we have to replace. So due to the new development of current equipment has become technological absolute. Means, as we see that, as we have simple, we have a mobile with a jellyfish Android, and it never be upgraded with another Android system. Why? Because another Android systems were so why and when we have to replace? So first, as we say that due to technology upgradation, due to the maintenance, due to they haven't any resale value. So first we see that due to the new development of current equipment has become a technological absolute, right? Next one is the current equipment has become unusable. Means it will fail many times and it will not work. So that situation, this is in case of sudden failure. It's like machine tools, light bulbs. So next one is current equipment has a deteriorated. The current equipment has deteriorated on account of long use over time, and as such does not function efficiently. In other words, it requires expensive maintenance. That is called the regular failure, like as pistons, bearings, as we see in suspension system of car, and a failure of car wheels after riding 1 lakh kilometers and more, right? So that are the regular failure. Clear? So here the two main words, sudden failure and regular failure. So when sudden failure means we have to use one bulb and the bulb will fail, right? So that is a sudden failure. There have no time is that this bulb will long during and blah blah blah, right? So they have not a specific time for bulb or for machine tools. If we are using the single point cutting tool for cutting on for cutting or for turning operation, what happen if we give improper feed? So at that time that tool tip was broken, and tool tip was broken due to the improper applying of feed. So that is a sudden failure. That is not a regular failure, right? So next we see the failure mechanisms of the items. So the mechanism under this category has a life of an item efficiency deteriorates, causing increasing expenditure for operating cost. Second, decreasing equipment's productivity. When we got a decreased productivity, means we have a past technology equipments, and it will require much more maintenance to serve or to produce products. So what happened? It will require more maintenance, means in some times or many times it will fail during the operation. So it will directly affect the productivity of the company, right? Next is decrease in value of the equipment, bearings, pistons, automobile tires, right? Mechanical machines, machine tools, flexible equipment fall under this category. Means decrease in value of the equipment means the value of equipment that automobile tire, as we saying that, right? Next one is progressive. It will increase its piston range systems like manufacturing. That is a progressive failures are there. Clear? Sudden failure. So next, this type of failure occurs in items after some period of desired service rather than deterioration while in a service, right? So the period of desired service is not constant but follows some frequency distribution. Sudden failure may be progressive, retrogressive, or random in nature. In bulb case, that is the random sudden failure, right? So if the probability of failure of an item increase with increases its life, like as tubes, lights, and bulbs. Here, so what is the retrogressive failure? So the probability of failure at the beginning of the life of an item is more, but as time passes, the chances of failure becomes less. Then such failure is called the retrogressive, right? So what it says that probability of failure at beginning of the time is more, means when we are used the items, right? Or we are using the starting of time, if we have used improper way, so it will fail suddenly, right? But if we are used the same single point cutting tool, we give a proper fill, we give proper operation. So at the time passes, we have to use the single point cutting tool. At more uses or more jobs were worked on that particular tool, then it may fail after servicing or after operating many operations, right? So that is known as retrogressive. Next one is a random failure. Under this failure, constant probability of failure is associated with the equipment, and that fails in random causes such as the physical source, not related to the age. Means as we see that, as we knew, or as we see that in day-to-day routine life, as we also hear that at the age of 23, at the age of 30, someone got a heart attack. Means that is a physical sudden shock, right? So that is not related to the age. As we assume that or predict that above 45 age, above 60 age, it's a chances of heart attack because it will low operated or it will failure due to the age. So in 23 age you got a heart attack, you got a paralysis attack, that is a physical shock, that is a random. We never predict this kind of stocks there, right? In another word, they are expected like electronic components like transistors, semi-customers element, conductor elements, glass, what will dedicated or delicate or brittle items, right? So we never assumptions on random failure. Means suppose we have 6 glasses or we have 6 glass cup in our mirror, right? Due to the rough usage or due to some failure, one glass cup will fall down from the head and it will break. So it will the random failure, right? Second, we can see that perishable items like fruit and vegetables have been shown to fail at rate independent of age. Means same example, best example of this sentence is a mango. We have purchased 9 kg mango packet. So what happened? We have to put at some corner area of our room. After a week, after 2 weeks, if we can't see that, so some of the mangoes or 2 or 3 mangoes will start to fail. We start to fail. Clear? So it will independent of age, it will be there. Second, the random failure example is there. Suppose you buy tomatoes, right, and you put the tomatoes into a hard vegetables, like as you have to also buy the potato also, right? So you have to buy a 3 kg potatoes, and you have to buy only 250 grams of tomato. What happened? You have to put that 250 grams tomato, and on that you have to put that 3 kg potato. What happened? Due to the pressure of that potato on the tomato well fell. It will also spoil, right? So that is a random failure. Clear? First model we have seen that items that deteriorates with a time of size. So that are independent from the age in a random failure. Clear? In next lecture we have to learn a different models of replacement. Clear? Thank you.